want to get on Zad Academy, but the problem is I don't know Arabic fluently. So how could I learn Arabic in the best way possible and fluently?
Zainuddin from the UK, his first question, how to perfect the language, the Arabic language. Arabic, like any other language, it depends on a number of factors. Number one, your interest in it. And this constitutes the vast majority of the problem. If you have a strong interest in a language, you can pick it up easily. If you're not motivated, if you're being pushed by your parents or your teacher to study it while you don't like it, then it is going to be a difficult task. So if you have the motivation and you have the interest in it, this maybe is 70% of the difficulty is gone. After that, you have to learn a lot of the vocabulary. So a lot of the time people make the common mistakes